Hey everybody, it is just before 8 a.m., 7:54 a.m. on Saturday, October the 23rd, 2021. Just an update on my Linux server project. At this point, we have a full installation of Slackware Linux. Well, not a full installation, scaled down for the hardware. I'll get into that in a minute. But a functional installation of Slackware Linux. And we're also running Apache web server, MySQL database server, and PHP with OpenSSL in the works. I still have a lot of configuration to do, but it is a functional web server right now with WordPress installed as well, content management system. So what this means is that given my Facebook increasingly problematic Facebook and Instagram troubles, I will now have a place of my own to go and publish my ideas and any kind of content I want to make available. Now, as of right now, it is not a production machine and it's not live on the internet. So to all of you watching this video, there's nothing to see and it's not really exciting. I will do in short order, I will do a video kind of showing some of what's going on the server itself. Now, a little bit about the hardware. This is an ancient Dell laptop that I got during the time I was homeless, that had been like thrown out, or well, basically, a friend of mine had it and she wasn't using it because it's, again, ancient. And I knew from my experience, my Linux experience, that old hardware can be quite useful. So I had this laptop kicking around, and it was what I was first using when I moved in here to connect to the internet until I got a desktop eventually. So I plugged that in and fired it up, and this machine is a Pentium 3, has 24 gigabytes of RAM, of hard drive space, sorry, and just over a gig of RAM. Okay, just to give you an idea, it's 32-bit. It's wow. So a lot of things, it took some extra time just because of that. Let me see if am I leaving anything out? Oh, okay. Well, let me show you what's going on right here. This laptop. Now, the idea is this. For a while, I'm a little bit hesitant to leave it up all the time, but that's the idea. You know what I mean? That's kind of like part of the deal, because I don't want to see what the effect is going to be on my electric bill. But I'm figuring, like, you know, a small laptop like that, it can't be too bad. So here's the thing. I will show you where it's at right now. Now, I can close this. Boom. Hold on one second. Okay. And that's how it'll look pretty much all the time right now. Okay, because I can access that laptop without ever sitting in front of it. All I need to do is SSH in from my desktop or here from my iPad, and I can do everything as if I were sitting right in front of it anyway. So, so yeah, that's pretty cool. Now, the reason it has to be there is because this laptop is so old, it doesn't have wireless built in. So it needs to plug into the router. So that's why it's right there. I kind of sat on the couch for a little bit yesterday and kind of thought, how do I want to do this? Because I didn't want to put anything on the floor underneath the TV table, because when I go to vacuum or sweep, it's a pain in the ass. You know what I mean? To have to move it out of the way and shit like that. So I was trying to avoid that. And what I came up with, given what I had, works out pretty well. So, so yeah. So now we have a dedicated server that is, even just for now, locally going to host my content. So stay tuned for updates on that. It's going to be the sort of a thing I imagine it's going to take a minute to get it to where I want it to be. But we made a lot of progress in a short amount of time already, so that's good. And that's all I have to say. I will see you back here at the 9 at 9 a.m. for the Angelus. Love you all. Bye.